This is the Model C Sentinel Daily Dose for the weekend of Saturday, March 14th, 2026. System Identity, the Model C Sentinel v16.2. Disclaimer: this briefing is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not financial advice. Tactical orders are generated by a quantitative model. Current status: regime normal attack. Conditions optimal. Section 1, Vital Signs. First, the smoothed volatility Z-score. Our smooth vol Z has ticked down slightly to 0.57. We remain safely out of the red zone. Second, the VIX. The fear gauge cooled off by a fraction of a point, dropping from 27.29 to close at 27.19. Third, liquidity. This is the most dangerous metric on the board. The tide ratio continues to decay, dropping to 0.85. Broad market participation is quietly rotting away under the surface. Fourth, the bear probability score. Internal systemic risk remains steady at 45%, holding at transitional stress. Section 2, the forensic analysis. Welcome to the ping-pong market. If you are a discretionary trader, you are likely completely mentally exhausted by this week's price action. On Wednesday, the market flashed green. On Thursday, the VIX violently spiked and triggered our Choppy Zone Block. And today, the VIX dropped just a fraction of a point from 27.29 to 7.19, which mathematically lifted the Choppy Zone Block and turned the dashboard back to green. This is the exact market environment that shreds human psychology. Discretionary traders are constantly switching from bullish FOMO to bearish panic every 24 hours. But the Model C Sentinel feels no fatigue. It simply reads the data. While the macro dashboard flipped back to normal attack today, the algorithm still absolutely refuses to deploy capital. Why? Because the micro execution protocols are looking at the tide ratio. A breadth reading of 0.85 means the internal structural damage to individual stocks is worsening. Every single stock in our database currently has a heavily negative Z-score. They are structurally broken. The algorithm is demanding a perfect 0.5 Z-score pullback to buy, and the market simply cannot provide one. Section 3, Tactical Command. The tactical command on the dashboard is clear. Conditions optimal, max positions 10. Number 1. The gates are open. The macro environment has technically stabilized because the VIX stopped rising. The system is hunting. Number 2. The breadth decay. Do not let the green dashboard fool you. The underlying breadth of the market is failing. We will not force a trade into a decaying market. Number 3. Hold in cash. You have survived one of the most volatile weeks of the year without taking a single unnecessary loss. Enjoy your weekend. Your capital is 100% protected in cash. Let the market makers play ping-pong with each other, and we will wait for the math to present a perfect setup next week. End of briefing.